In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the DeepSeek AI extension to your Chrome browser step by step. If you want quicker access to AI tools right inside Chrome, this is a simple setup that only takes a minute or two. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome menu where you'll find browser settings and tools. Now hover over Extensions. From there, click Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you to the official Chrome Web Store where you can safely install extensions for your browser. Once the Chrome Web Store opens, click in the search bar and type DeepSeek. After that, look through the results and click on DeepSeek AI. Make sure you select the correct extension so you're installing the right one. On the Extensions Store page, you'll see a blue Add to Chrome button. Click that button to begin the installation process. Chrome will then show a confirmation pop-up window asking if you want to add the extension. Click Add Extension to confirm. After that, the extension will download and install automatically. Chrome usually handles this within just a few seconds, and once it's finished, DeepSeek AI will be added to your browser. Now, to access it quickly, look near the address bar and click the puzzle piece icon. This is where Chrome stores your installed extensions. From the list, click DeepSeek, and the extension will open or become available for use. At this point, you're all set. You can now use DeepSeek AI directly in Chrome whenever you need it, making it easier to get AI assistance while browsing. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another useful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.